Hello and welcome to part 3 of the Nissan Sunny saga. These are the two templates from part 2 of the video, and this is a sheet of aluminium. I think it's about 2mm thick. It's not the thinnest in the world, but it'll be alright. And these pieces are about the same size. I'm actually going to cut these square rather than the sort of raggy shape that they are. So I'm going to take that as the top edge, that one there, and that one there. Here are the two infills. Just need to make sure that I can fit them in from the back. That one's good. Obviously the cardboard's a little bit more flexible, so the danger there was that I wouldn't be able to get it in. That one's good as well. Just marking some lines to help me line up the repair plates. With those inner lines lined up with the outer lines, I can now draw a line right round. I can see where it goes. Same on this side. I've got these little countersunk rivets, and I've drilled an experimental hole in this bit of scrap and countersunk it. As you can see, that sits just about flush in the panel. It's a 5.5mm hole for this part of the rivet, and then this little countersunk bit in the drill to make the recess for the chamfered part. I'm going to drill 8 holes in this plate to hold it onto the back of the boot lid. I'm going to drill it from this side. I'll put one in this corner first and then pop a rivet in there without the use of the rivet gun, just to hold it in place. Car body works very thin. Just pop that in there. Do the same in this corner. I'll work my way around drilling those holes. Got some plastic padding body filler here, and I'm just going to put a bit around the edges of the plate before I slip it underneath and rivet it in place. Hopefully that should seal it up and enable me to smooth the surface off as well. Thought I'd better do these one at a time, as the filler doesn't stay active for very long. When I say active, I mean workable for very long. Stick that in there. Try and bang some rivets in. I need to take my gloves off. Filming of that was a bit less successful than I'd hoped it would be, because I really struggled. I think I put too much hardener in the body filler, so that started to go off quite quickly. And that was coupled with the fact that this rivet gun, with this particular type of rivet, is very, very difficult to operate. It's very difficult to break the rivet off. Now I'm quite a big bloke. But I was really struggling to squeeze this up. What I ended up doing was getting this handle, which is off a drill or something, and a plastic box to use as a fulcrum. Whoops! And press down with both hands to get the rivets to snap off. Even then, this one I think, and this one I had to drill out because it compressed in a weird way. Anyway, I've got there with that one. I'm going to try and use what I've. I think it's going to rain. I think I'm going to try and use what I've learned from that side to have a go at this side. So I'll put the camera in a better place and leave it running and see how I get on this time. Ow! That was a bit of a mission, but it's in. I don't think I've lost any fingers. Some of these rivets are slightly proud of the surface, and there's a bit of filler over the surface as well, so I'm just going to knock those down with the power file. Pretty solid. This one's good too. So I think skim a body filler over the top of those is what's required. Right then, after what was more of a struggle than I'd hoped it would be, I've got a layer of filler on there, but I am starting to lose the light now, so I think it's time to clear up, go and have a shower, and then maybe a pint of the foaming ale. See you on the next one.